How to make real money from fitness. Complete roadmap from zero to a real fitness business. The most important truth first. Fitness is not just about working out, it's a business.
If you want to make real money from fitness, discipline comes before everything else. Fitness is not a business where you post a few videos, gain followers, and suddenly start earning thousands. First, you have to build yourself. Whether your goal is fat loss, muscle gain, strength, better physique, or becoming a skilled athlete, consistency is non-negotiable.
You train even when motivation is low. You eat properly when no one is watching. You recover. You stay consistent for years, not weeks. People only trust you when you are living proof of what you teach. You don't need to look like a professional bodybuilder, but you must demonstrate that you practice what you preach. That is where the entire journey begins.
First, you have to build yourself. If your goal is to lose weight, build muscle, become stronger, improve your physique, or become a calisthenics athlete, you have to stay disciplined. That means training consistently, following your diet, getting enough recovery, and maintaining your physical condition over the long term. Because eventually, if you want people to trust you,
you have to become proof of your own message. If you're selling fitness advice while completely ignoring your own health and fitness, people are going to notice.
You don't necessarily need to look like a professional bodybuilder, but you should be able to demonstrate that you practice what you teach. And that's where this journey begins. Your physique and performance can become part of your credibility. Don't think you have to wait until you're fit before you start creating content. Use the image as references to generate the video.
If you're already fit, you have an advantage. Start documenting your workouts, nutrition, routines, progress, and lifestyle.
Your physique and performance can become part of your credibility. If you're overweight, don't think you have to wait until you're fit before you start creating content.
Turn your transformation into the content. I'm starting a 180-day transformation. I'm going to document everything. Show your starting point. Show your workouts.
Show your meals. Show your struggles. Show your progress. People don't only want to watch perfect bodies, they also want to watch someone become better. Your transformation can become your story. If you're very skinny, you can do exactly the same thing. Start a muscle building journey. You could say, I'm starting my muscle building journey. I'm starting a 12-month journey to build muscle and completely transform my body. Document the process honestly, your audience gets to grow with you. If you're an athlete, you already have another form of credibility. Whether you're involved in running, bodybuilding, powerlifting, martial arts, gymnastics, calisthenics, or another sport, your training itself can become content. Your performance, discipline, training sessions, competition preparation, recovery, and lifestyle can all become part of your brand. Part 2. Education. Know what you're talking about. Your physique can build attention, but knowledge builds long-term authority. If you want to work professionally in fitness, education is extremely valuable. Depending on your career path and location, you can look at qualifications such as Certified Personal Trainer, NASM, ACE, or ISA, Exercise Science or Kinesiology degree, Bachelor's degree in Exercise Science, Strength and Conditioning qualifications, Sports Science programs, Dietetics or Nutrition-related degrees, and professional qualifications. If you want to become a registered dietitian or practice a regulated nutrition profession, the education and licensing requirements can be significantly different depending on where you live. So don't just call yourself a nutrition professional because you watched a few videos online. Know the difference between being a fitness creator and being a qualified professional. If you want to coach people professionally, learn the subject properly. If you want to become a content creator, you can build an audience around your own experience. Know which path you're building. But you still have a responsibility to avoid presenting dangerous or unsupported information as fact. Education doesn't just help you make money, it helps you avoid hurting people. Part 3. Discipline is your real business foundation. You can have the best camera, you can have the best editing, you can have $1 million business idea. But if you can't stay disciplined, none of it matters. Fitness requires repetition. You train when you feel motivated. You train when you don't feel motivated. You eat properly when nobody is watching. You continue when the results are slow. You keep going when your videos get 10 views. That's what separates people who build something from people who quit. And you don't have to be 30, 40, or 50 years old to start. You can start at 15, 16, 20, 25, or later. In the beginning, people may not pay attention. That's normal.
But if they repeatedly see your work, your transformation, your discipline, and your consistency, something changes.
They start recognizing you. Then they start trusting you. And eventually, that attention can become an audience. And an audience can become a business. Part 4. Turn your fitness journey into content. Once you have a direction, start documenting the journey. You don't need expensive equipment. A smartphone is enough to begin. Short-form content. Use short videos for reach. Examples: workout tips, exercise demonstrations, common fitness mistakes, muscle-building tips, fat loss education, calisthenics progress. Transformation updates, quick meal ideas, gym motivation, fitness challenges, product reviews. Keep the videos simple, grab attention quickly, give people something useful. Explain the mistake and what to do instead, But what if you don't have access to expensive gym equipment?
Give them a practical alternative. CTA, follow for more practical muscle building tips. The goal isn't to make every video complicated. The goal is to make every video useful.
Part 5. Long-form content builds deeper trust. Short-form content can get you discovered. Long-form content can help people get to know you. You can create videos such as my complete transformation, what I eat in a day, my weekly workout routine, how I built my physique, my first year of training.
30-day fitness challenges, 90-day transformation, complete beginner workout guides, athlete preparation, day-in-the-life videos. Think of short form as the doorway.
Long form is where people can spend more time with you. And the more time people spend with you, the easier it becomes to build trust. Today, social media can be one of the most powerful tools available to a fitness creator. You can YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Shorts, Reels, but don't become obsessed with follower count. Followers are not the same thing as customers. A creator with 50,000 highly engaged followers can potentially have a stronger business than someone with 500,000 followers who never interact with their content. Followers are our conversions, Kunchi's a signal, vision, 50,000 followers in business. Who is actually watching? If almost nobody watches your videos or trusts your recommendations, that audience has very little commercial value.
But if those 50,000 people actively watch, comment, share, ask questions, and buy products you genuinely recommend, you have something much more valuable.
Part 7. Build trust before you try to sell. This may be the most important business lesson in the entire video. Never sacrifice trust for a quick paycheck. Don't recommend a product just because someone offered you money. Don't claim a supplement will transform someone's body overnight. Don't promise, lose 20 pounds in 30 days. When you know that's not realistic for most people. Don't pretend to be a doctor, dietitian, therapist, or other licensed professional if you're not one. And don't give medical advice beyond your qualifications. If you promote protein powder, equipment, clothing, or another product, be honest about what you're promoting. If you're being paid, disclose the relationship where required. Because once your audience stops trusting you, your entire business becomes weaker. One bad recommendation can cost dollars in future opportunities. Trust compounds just like money does. Build it slowly, aggressively. Part 8. Find your niche. Don't try to become everything to everyone. Choose a clear direction. For example, muscle building for beginners, fat loss for busy professionals, home workouts, calisthenics, strength training, women's fitness, men's fitness, athletic performance, mobility, beginner fitness, fitness for people over 40, transformation journeys. Choose a niche.
The more clearly you understand your audience, the easier it becomes to create content. Ask yourself, who am I helping? What problem do they have? What result do they want?
Why should they listen to me? Your best audience may even be the person you used to be. If you were once skinny and struggled to build muscle,
if you transformed from overweight to fit, help people who are starting their own transformation. Your past struggle can become your future business niche. Part 9. Study what already works. You don't have to reinvent the internet. Find successful creators in your niche and study their topics, titles, thumbnails, editing, storytelling. Don't copy them. Study what works and create your own version using your experience. If multiple successful creators are solving the same problem, that's a strong signal that people care about it. Don't expect money too early. This is where many people quit. They post 10 or 20 videos, don't make money, and conclude, fitness doesn't make money. That's not how it works. Building a fitness business can take months or years. Your results depend on your content, audience, offer, skills, consistency, market, and ability to convert attention into customers.
Instead of asking, how can I make $10,000 next month? Ask, how can I become valuable enough that people eventually want to pay me? That's the mindset that matters.
Part 11. How can you actually make money? Once you have knowledge, proof, content, and an audience, you have several options. Start with one, master it, then add another. Brand sponsorships. Fitness brands can pay you to promote products such as protein, apparel, equipment, apps, or recovery products. Partner with brands your audience actually trusts. Your value isn't based only on follower count. Engagement, audience quality, niche, platform, and content quality matter. Once you build an audience and establish credibility, you can also start your own gym or training facility. Your online popularity can help bring more attention to your local gym, attract potential members, and
Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you genuinely use and earn a commission when someone purchases through your link. Never sacrifice your reputation for a commission.
Digital products. Create useful workout guides, ebooks, training programs, habit trackers, recipe collections, or educational resources that solve a real problem.
online courses. Turn your expertise into a structured system. For example, an 8-week beginner strength program or home workout course. Group coaching or memberships. Instead of coaching everyone individually, create a community with workouts, challenges, Q&As, live sessions. For example, 100 members, your own fitness brand. Eventually, you could build your own apparel, equipment, digital programs, app, or membership platform. This gives you more control, but also more responsibility. YouTube revenue. Once eligible under YouTube's current monetization requirements, advertising can become another income stream. But don't build the entire business around ads. Personal coaching. You can offer training programs, accountability, progress tracking, check-ins, and technique feedback, while staying within your qualifications and legal scope.
Events and challenges. You can eventually organize fitness challenges, workshops, group training, and online community events.
Build an ecosystem. Imagine you eventually have 100,000 followers, a loyal community, digital products, affiliate partnerships, coaching ships, coaching clients, memberships.
What can destroy your fitness brand? Avoid these mistakes. 1. Chasing money too early. If every video becomes an advertisement, people stop trusting you. Dangerous advice. Stay within your knowledge and qualifications. Don't give medical advice you're not qualified to provide. 5. Buying followers. Fake followers don't build real businesses.
Your first 12 months. Month 1. Choose your niche, start creating content, learn filming and editing, and focus on building the foundation.
Monetization your audience, such as affiliate products, digital products, coaching, brand partnerships, memberships, UGC, YouTube revenue. Remember, there is no guarantee for followers or income. Your goal is to build valuable content, trust, and an offer that genuinely helps people.